So it really pays to study the history, guys. We're in the same setup we've seen in two occasions in history. One is recently, dating back to last year, August 2nd through August 5th. And the other time, I posted a few podcasts about it. The other time was in May of 1930. Damn right. After the big crash of 1929, the market bounces. Everybody thinks everything's fucking back to normal, and it's not. And every Wall Street analyst right now is fucking brainwashing you. How the fuck? This market is just so good and makes so sense. So much money can come to the market. They're all feeding you fucking lies. So you want to beat this market, what do? You short fucking Tesla. Well, how would you have known to short Tesla? If you traded with the 13 market moves coach, let me be 100% fucking transparent. Last week, we shorted the fuck out of Tesla. And depending on entries and exits, it didn't make shit. Actually, some traders lost fucking money on that. But guess what? Did it stop us from betting against Tesla this week? Oh, absolutely fucking not. We bought a shitload of puts. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and guess what? It finally pays today. We also bought him today on Thursday, guys, as I'm recording this. Thursday, June 5th. Okay, so the dates are slightly off numerically, right? But the setup is identical, guys. The setup, it's 1930 bounce setup. If I was to break down to you the guys, like this shit is absolutely phenomenal in the resemblance of August last year. Because what exactly happened in August last year? Well, on August 2nd, 2024, we got a job report. What are we going to get tomorrow on June 6th, 2025? We're going to get a job report, okay? On August 2nd, 2024, when we got the job report, what happened? Well, there was a huge discrepancy in the value of USD and Japanese yen that nobody expected. And for whatever reason, I'm sure a lot more people are prepared for tomorrow. So that's why potentially we're not going to get as drastic of a move as we got on August 2nd, August 3rd, August 4th, August 5th. And you're thinking like, well, Leo, what are you talking about? The market was not even open on August 3rd, August 4th. Okay. And I'm telling you, the market was open if you were trading with 30 market moves, because we're buying the shitload of Bitcoin puts, Ethereum puts, Solana puts, and that's the trade that actually made millions for some of our students, okay? Now, some of them couldn't take the trade. Why? Well, because they didn't have the account set up properly. It's the same shit that I talk about in the last 378 fucking videos. People don't have the account set up. So Bitcoin's gonna fucking collapse. I'm telling you, there is an abundance of coin and very little cash to go around right now. So you got the perfect economic condition for a crypto collapse. Now, I know, some of you are so goddamn brainwashed, you cannot even hear what the fuck just came out of my mouth. Oh, he's saying crypto's going to collapse. Everybody else is saying crypto's going to 200,000, 300,000, 1 million, 2 million. Anybody, any fucking takers? Goddamn tulip money is what you got. You replace the fucking Bitcoin with a tulip, and you know what happens next, okay? Options are about to pay you big on the collapse of crypto. And nobody's fucking prepared for it based off the fucking option chain. Nobody's ready for it. Michael Saylor told you to do what? Bitcoin conference, right? That motherfucker. I cannot fucking believe it. He fucking told you to sell your house and buy Bitcoin. He told you to sell basically everything you fucking have and put it into Bitcoin because it is a sure motherfucking thing that's gonna go up. Like, how fucking retarded does someone have to be? Do you have a fucking brain? There were people that were buying Bitcoin at 10 cents. There were people that were buying Bitcoin at $1. There were people like me that were buying Bitcoin at $3,000, okay? And now these fuckers are trying to convince you to buy Bitcoin at 106,000. I mean, That's when we shorted it this morning. Hallelujah. Okay. So you gotta be an absolute fucking idiot to think that you could be buying Bitcoin at 105, 110,000. Like, those are recent prices that Michael Saylor paid. And he didn't just buy one, right? He fucking went and borrowed the shit out of the universe to buy more Bitcoin on goddamn leverage. And somehow the world applauds that. They're like, the number one thing you learn, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Oh, don't get never put all your money in one fucking trade, right? That's what the guy does with borrowed money. Billions. That motherfucker borrowed gazillions of fucking dollars to put it in a high leverage Bitcoin fucking trade. And yet the Wall Street applauds it. The pension funds fucking applaud it. This guy literally breaks every fucking rule of investing, and everybody's cheering on, and they're giving him more fucking money. This guy should not be able to borrow any fucking money. His company is losing $17 a share per last quarterly report. How the fuck does he get to borrow billions of fucking dollars and buy Bitcoin at all-time highs? Trying to sell this dream to you at Bitcoin conference. Number one, that motherfucker was late. He was late. Now, if you add up all of his purchases, his average cost of Bitcoin is above $70,000. Now, I'm not sure how late you got to be to something, okay? But he was not buying it at 10 cents. He was not buying it at $1. He was not buying it at $3,000 like I was, and like a lot of students here at 13 Market Moves were. This motherfucker is buying billions on borrowed money from pension funds at the highest level Bitcoin has ever traded. You got to be an absolute fucking brain dead motherfucker to buy Bitcoin at 105, 110,000 and think you got the same opportunity as those people that bought it at 10 cents, $1, and 3,000. And yet, that's what he's telling you to do. What he should be telling you is to sell your fucking house and bet against the crypto market right now. What he should be preparing you for is May 1930 collapse that is about to unravel in the markets. What he should be telling you about is the conditions that preceded August 2nd, August 5th type situation in 2024. He ain't gonna fucking tell you that. But guess who is going to tell you that? We're going to tell you this at 13 Market Moves, because that is the most relevant piece of information you need to understand right now if you're trading in the markets, especially if you're trading the markets utilizing short-term options expirations. So there you have it. Now, let's talk about the correlation. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. If you go back and study the history of Tesla, the history of Bitcoin, well, they're highly fucking correlated, okay? So, needless to say, Tesla is collapsing. We're making a shitload of money. Some guys are up 40x today on today's entry on Tesla puts. Some guys are up 50x, depending on the strike. Okay, but the trade does not stop there. What you want to identify as a trader is what is going to fold next, and the next thing is going to fold is going to be coin, is going to be Bitcoin, is going to be Saylor. Should I say it? Yeah, I'm going to fucking say it. Saylor is fucked. He again bought Bitcoin at all-time fucking highs, and you're going to see MSTR shares collapse again. Yeah, they're gonna fucking collapse again, but this time it's gonna be way uglier than the last fucking time. So, yeah, there is a correlation. Okay, technology stocks outperform basically, and that's why S&P's been going up in the last 60 days. Well, this is like a gift. To anyone that is a short seller, this is the greatest gift of all fucking times, short to market, that would be an equivalent to the bounce of 1930? Fuck. We're living through insane historic moments right now. But yet, most of the people are going to get it on the wrong side. They're going to go buy calls on the dip. They're going to get fucked again. I mean, the history repeats itself. So, anyway, you guys want to nail some real trades like the Tesla trade we've done. You want to nail the next trade, which is like MSDI. Like some trades I'm not even mentioning here that are absolutely going to fucking outperform. Like, don't even get me started on AVGO and Lulu. They're reporting earnings after hours today. We got that shit covered too. But guys, the point is, okay, you want to be there. Most of the people tell you, well, you can't time the market. You can't time the market every day. You cannot time the market every day, every week. But when you do time the market, like we do here at 13 Market Moves, we don't do it every day, but when we fucking do, okay, that's how you get your 40, 50x trade. So if you understand you could be close, if you understand the market could be playing fucking bullshit games with you, okay, you cannot give up. You got to show up every fucking day. Put on the trade. Put on the trade. Don't let the market fuck with your head. That's how you beat the market. Yet most of the people are like, well, I lost money in this trade last week. Why should I take it this week? Yeah. Because you're a real fucking trader. That's why you take the same trade this week that you lost money on last week. And that's how you put together a 40, 50x trade on Tesla puts, damn it. Anyway, look at yourself in the mirror, okay? And just ask yourself a fucking question. What was the last time you put a 40, 50x trade together on options? Okay? So, you could be a bull. I don't give a fuck. Okay, you could be a bear. I don't give a fuck. What was the last time you put together a 40, 50x trades utilizing options? Not a fucking meme coin. Options. Trading in real fucking markets. If your answer is you don't remember. If your answer is, well, I've never fucking even done a 10x or a 5x or a 2x. Like, fuck. What are you doing in the markets? You come to 13 Market Moves. That's what you need to be doing if you've never put together a 40, 50x trade. Anyways, 13marketmoves.com. Sign up. If you ever trade with a coach, you need to get in touch with us now. The market conditions are ripe for the taking. There is a 10% market drop in development over the course of the next 7-8 trading sessions. Don't fucking miss it. Roll with the best. 13 Market Moves. Let's go.